Good to go.
All right. Good morning, folks, esteemed colleagues. How's everyone today? My name is Matt. With me here is Charles. We have Jan and Julianne, also members of our team. They must be running a little late this morning, so we're just going to kick this off. So we have our team members. Charles is our project manager. I'm our lead consultant for our company. Jan was our training supervisor, and Julianne, the IT director for our little consulting group, the Northwind Traders. So our company mission and objectives. We're a consulting company. We specialize in bringing efficiency into companies and organizations. We work directly with your employees, your managers. We help train them on systems and any software, particularly in this case, accounting and management data, and streamlining that and helping employees figure out the ins and outs of all that. So we came into a company, gave us a couple projects. Our first project, we needed to update their employment records. They were a little behind. We also needed to train their management in using queries and filters to sort through their data for sales and show them how to individualize that and bring up individual sales, sales by category, and total revenues for their management purposes. So, we first did that. We had to go in, we had to just show them how to do some basic data entry and update their employee information, add a couple new employees they hadn't put into their database yet. Simple enough, we just did that. Showed them all how, gave them a little update. And we also came in, showed them how to use their filters, trained them up, and was able to take their raw unfiltered data here of all their salesmen selling all their different products, all their revenues, and total sales and costs. And we showed them how to enact those filters, use them with their databases to bring up more streamlined data for their managers that can show individual sales for individual categories, for people, the total revenues, which is crucial data for any management team. And we were able to work with them and get that all straightened away for them. So, for our first project, we successfully were able to update their data. We made their records current, and we also quite efficiently trained up their management how to use their filters, how to make new filters when they need to, in order to view any pertinent sales data they might need. Our second project, we had a couple employees that weren't so familiar with the systems. They had a couple problems with their queries. We had to go in and check that out, find their mistakes, troubleshoot, and teach those employees how to do it themselves, how to fix their own queries. And so we have a couple samples of what we did here. We had to go through, there was a couple queries. They were trying to list their entire sales for the month of May 2012. They only wanted to see the May of 2012, and this particular employee was bringing up sales from all different months. So we had to go in and check his criteria. You'll see here we have what he had for us, and we had our corrections we made. He made the mistake of using the wrong symbols in his criteria for anything that was sold or shipped after May 1st, which obviously includes June and all the preceding months. So we just went and made a quick changeover to the proper operators to switch it to between the 1st of May to the 31st of May, so that that particular query would only bring up the sales for that month. And the next problem was they wanted to see their beverage sales for the entire year of 2012, and they weren't getting any results on that query. So we had to go in. We noticed a couple mistakes this employee made. First of all, he had a misspelling. There was a little problem there. It just shows how you gotta spell everything correctly. You gotta make sure everything's tight. And he also had only the month of January for his operators. He had between 1/1/2012 and 1/31/2012 when they wanted to see the whole year. So we just made a quick switch over to through the entire year of 2012, and that was able to correct the problem. They got all their sales data up, and we showed them how to do that and how to troubleshoot their own problems. So I believe I'll let my buddy here, my colleague Charles, take over.
Third project was designing queries to calculate discount and the average of the sales. You would type in that expression, and then you'd run the report, and all the prices would come out, the averages, the revenue. And then you'd have to select what the numbers were, whether it would be currency or percentage. You have to also have to make sure that what it was grouped by, whether it was the sum or the average. And the average discount. That'd be it.
Any questions from the consulting group here? Any questions?
Anything?
Okay.
So, in conclusion, we went into this company and we think we properly trained these managers to use their access databases, corrected the problems that they had with it, and we were able to show them some neat little tricks for organizing revenues and employee data and all that. So.
Okay, excellent job,
Anything
guys.
at
Thank
all,
you very much.